In this video, you'll learn how to sound like Ghostface using ElevenLabs. By following these instructions, you will create an eerie voice that captures the essence of this iconic character. Begin by opening the text-to-speech feature in ElevenLabs. Once the interface loads, you will see several options for voice models. Choose ElevenLabs V, Tree, or Multilingual V3 from the available selections. This ensures that you are using the most suitable model for generating the desired voice effect. Next, locate the voice selection area. Here, you will need to choose a male voice. Selecting a neutral voice is recommended, as it often works best for achieving that unsettling tone associated with Ghostface. After making your selection, you are ready to proceed. Now, you will paste the exact text provided for the Ghostface effect. The text to use is scratchy, breathy, distorted phone call voice, whispery, taunting, calm but unsettling. Hello. Did you really think it was over? Let's play a little game. Ensure that you copy this text exactly, as it includes important vocal cues that will influence the final output. After pasting the text, look for the Generate button on the interface. Click this button to start the voice generation process. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the model, there may be a short loading period before the voice is ready. Once the audio is generated, listen carefully to evaluate if it meets your expectations for eeriness. If the initial output is not unsettling enough, you can enhance the voice by using stronger vocal cues. Modify the text to very exaggerated, raspy phone voice, whispering, smug, creepy, slow, and deliberate. Hello there. I love scary stories. Don't you? This version emphasizes breathiness, a raspy quality, and a slow, taunting delivery. To effectively capture the Ghostface persona, focus on certain traits in your delivery. Aim for breathy and raspy tones, leaning towards a whisper. Maintain a calm yet taunting demeanor and use slow pacing to create tension. Incorporate short lines, questions, pauses, and soft chuckles to enhance the chilling effect. Avoid any elements of shouting, fast speech, or graphic threats, as Ghostface embodies quiet, menace, and mockery, rather than rage. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.